Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Razak Trihandoko with NPM 233111014. In here, I will explain material about multi-core computer. Introduction. Overview and relevance of multi-core computing. Multi-core computing integrates multiply processor core on a single chip, enabling parallel task execution and greater performance efficiency. Modern software demand higher processing power. Multi-core CPU are central to today's computing landscape. Objective: understand architecture, operation, and real-world application. Scope: definition, history, component, types, and comparison. Background: why multi-core computing emerged? Single-core processor face physical limits in clock speed scaling due to heat and power constraints. Growing demand for multitasking and complex application require greater computational throughput. Multi-core architecture emerged as solution to deliver higher performance with improved energy efficiency. Definition of multi-core computer. What is a multi-core computer? A multi-core computer contains multiple processor cores integrated on a single chip. Each core operates independently, executing its own instruction or works in parallel with other cores. This, this architecture significantly improves processing performance, multitasking capability, and overall execution efficiency without simply increasing clock speed. History of multi-core development. Early era. Single-core processor dominate computing performance, gain relied on increasing clock speed and transistor density following Moore's law. Multi-core emerges. Intel and AMD introduced dual-core and quad-core processor physical limits of single-core speed. Scaling drove the shift to parallel architecture. Modern standard multi-core become industry standard across all device processor now. Feature 8, 16, or more core, enabling advanced multitasking and parallel workloads. Main component of multi-core processor. CPU core, independent processing unit on single chip. Each core fetches, decodes, and executes instructions simultaneously, enabling through parallel computation and multitasking performance. Cache hierarchy. Three-level cache system L1 per core fasted, L2 per core of shared mid-speed, and L3 shared across core latch capacity, reduce memory latency significantly. Internet connect and controllers. In core, communication via bus or ring topology. Memory controller manage RAM access while EO controller handle data flow between processor and external device efficiently. How multi-core processor works. Task division and parallel execution. Workloads are split into smaller threads distributed across multiple cores. Each core processes in assigned tasks simultaneously, dramatically reducing total execution time compared to sequential single-core processing. Core synchronization and load balancing. Core communicate via shared cache and interconnects to synchronize tasks. The OS scheduler dynamically distribute work lengths even across all available cores to prevent bottleneck and maximum throughput. Energy efficiency through parallelism. Parallel execution allow each core to run at lower frequency while achieving higher performance. This reduces power consumption and heat generation per core, making multi-core system for more energy efficiency than high frequency single core design. Multi-core computer architecture. Architectural models SMP, AMP, and chip multi-core processor. Symmetric. All cores share equal access to memory and I/O resource. The operating system treats each core identically, ideal for general purpose computing and balanced workload, common in desktop and server processor. AMP cores are assigned specific roles or tasks by OS hardware. One master core controls the core's efficiency for realizing and that system where task roles are predefined. CMP multiply processor cores integrate on a single chip die. Core share on chip cache and interconnects reduce latency and power consumption. Foundation of modern multi-core CPU design and commercial processor. Types of multi-core processor classification by count and core design architecture. By core count, dual core 2, quad core 4, hexacore 6, octa-core 8, and beyond. Higher core count enable greater parallel tasks. Example, Intel Core i2 dual, Ryzen 7 octa-core. Homogeneous core. All core are identical design, speed, and capability, simple to program and manage component in desktop and server CPU. Example, Intel Core i9, AMD Ryzen 9 series processor. Heterogeneous core. Core different in performance high performa. Cores handle intensive tasks. Efficiency core manage like work. Example, Apple M2 performance plus efficiency cores. Intel Alder Lake. Advantage of multi-core computer. Enhance multitasking multi-core enable simulate execution of parallel, significantly improving overall system performance and responsive for demanding workloads. Better energy efficiency. Distributing workloads across core reduces per core clock speed, requiring lowering power consumption and heat generation compared to single processor. Scalability and performance. Multi-core architecture efficiently for modern applications including cloud computing, AI workloads, data-intensive tasks, meeting growing important demands. Disadvantage and challenge: parallel programmability, communication bottlenecks, and synchronization and cost overhead. And then single core versus multi-core comparison. Multi-core processor excel in multitasking, energy efficiency, and scalability, while programming complexity increase. The performance gains make multi-core from standard for modern computing from smartphone and laptop to server and cloud infrastructure. Multi-core implementation in daily life, server, cloud, and IoT and embedded system. Case study of modern processor: Intel Core series, AMD Ryzen series, Apple Silicon. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.